This is Memorial Day weekend, and a lot of boats are out today, which is Memorial Day, just as it should be. And we are out as well. The Admiral is reading a book on the sun pad. We've got boat traffic. We've got super blue skies and calm winds. It's been windy the last couple days. Calm winds, and yeah, just a beautiful Memorial Day to unofficially kick off the summer. Probably.
How'd she run, okay?
Yeah, we got her on plate.
Hi.
Yeah.
Good.
Thermostat looks like it's working.
No more smoke or...
No more smoke.
Good.
Have a great day.
Okay, spend the night?
We just spent the night on the hook.
Okay.
At the moment, right now, I am finally getting around to cleaning the canvas. I'm using the mildew stain remover, and let me give you a little split before and after. Well, not before and after, this is right now. This is how bad that is right now. And on the starboard side, and then as you look, So we are back to the dock safely. I would not say this is a typical Memorial Day weekend, since we had some trepidation about whether or not we were going to get up on plane. But we spent one night at the marina on Friday night, and we spent one night on the hook, and that was at Strawberry Point. And didn't do a lot of filming, but it was a beautiful weekend. Next steps, going to replace the electric fuel pump, and I'm not going to film that. I already have that video in my amateur maintenance playlist. This will be now the third time that I've done it. So next trip should be in about 2 weeks, where it's going to be my birthday weekend, and we're hoping to go up to Northeast Maryland. So we've not been there before. Hope to take you with us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking.